242 miles on a barely used FLSB SB Sport Glide. This is a 2021 with a Milwaukee-Eight engine, 107 cubic inch, dual overhead cams, 4 valves per cylinder. Just maximizing the overall efficiency of the vehicle, and 2-to-1 exhaust here in the rear. Mostly chrome with some black accents at the back. Black bags, black denim bags. One latch to open. It is a Softail, but it is a modern, more aggressive heritage. You know, solo seat, passenger pillion, really edgy style up front, with the inverted forks, LED headlight, and small fairing, meant for an easier time on the highway. The previous owner did replace the derby cover for blacked out, black denim, and the pegs as well for these small, large pegs or small floorboards on the forward controls. Passenger pegs are here, standard, and 4 spark plugs total. 5-gallon tank. There is a small digital display. This is just for looks, and this is the real gas cap we have here. The digital display, cycling through time, mileage, RPM, and odometer, as well as the fuel gauge up here. Let's see. Put that clear for you up here. Full would be reaching, these bars are reaching all the way to the right hand side. And miles per hour being the only analog display on the Sport Glide. We also have cruise control on the right hand side. And the only aftermarket part, one of the few aftermarket parts, is also this the hand levers by Oberon, O-B-E-R-O-N, adjustable, and it makes it a lot easier to pull in. Of course, on the left and the right. There you have it. We've got a few Sport Glides in, and it's a lovely addition to our used bike inventory. Can't wait for you to come on in and experience the convenience of this vehicle with the monoshock suspension here, and still retaining power with the 107 Milwaukee-Eight engine and the 2-to-1 exhaust. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on what you would do with a Sport Glide yourself. And come on by for a test ride today. It's going to be a great time. Thank you. See you next time.